Good evening, I am Rini Gupta, your tech host. Welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin. In today's tech news, a new Android malware is emptying bank accounts and wiping devices. WhatsApp new feature makes chatting with AI easier for a bad tech shift. Samsung launches 1 TB Pro Plus and EVO Plus micro SD card with a read speed of up to 180 Mbps. Sony launches PlayStation Portal Remote Player in India. Valorant launches Xbox Series SX and PS5. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold leak. Google to give more power to parents with school time on Android phones and tablets and more. In yesterday's quiz, we asked you to name a new LinkedIn update, and the answer is the new LinkedIn ads. Sponsored messaging, sponsored articles, and thought leader ads and a lead generation boosting. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. What is a new Instagram feature in 2024? Think you the no answer. We want to hear you from. Leave your guess and the comments below in this video. We'll reveal the correct answer in tomorrow's news bulletin. So stay tuned to see if you got it right. Good luck, tech enthusiasts, and don't forget to comment with your answer. Malware continues to be a significant threat in the digital world, and a new Android malware named a Bingo Mode has been identified, posing a serious risk to a user by stealing financial data and wiping devices. Bingo Mode uses a technique called smishing to deliver a malware-laden link of victim devices. This link installs the Bingo Mode app version 1.5.1 under a false identity, often mimicking the name and icon of mobile security tools like AVG, antivirus, and security. During installation, the app requests access device accessibility services. Once granted, it can steal login credentials, take a screenshot, and interrupt SMS messages. This stolen data is sent to the attackers via a dedicated channel, providing near real-time access to device function. Bingo Mode also utilizes Android Media Protection APIs, which handle a screencasting request to gather disparate information. This helps circumvent security measures such as two-factor authentication. The malware conceals activities from victims using fake notification and overlays. The latest WhatsApp beta for Android introduced a groundbreaking feature that allows users to send voice messages to Meta AI. This marks a significant shift from the previous limitation of text and image-based interaction. A screenshot shared by a WA Beta Info reveals a new voice message button with the Meta AI chat with interface, indicating that the process of sending voice messages to Meta AI will be seamless as sending them a regular chats. While specific details about the supported language for voice messaging remain undisclosed, it is expected that the Meta will prioritize multilingual support, especially considering WhatsApp's extensive user base in the South Asian countries. The voice chat feature could enable Meta AI to perform various tasks with the WhatsApp, which are replying to messages or suggesting responses. Alternatively, it might serve as a journal voice assistant for web searches and recommendations. Samsung has recently introduced 1 TB variant for its Pro Plus and EVO Plus micro SD card, addressing the growing demand of high capacity and high performance storage solution. The new model utilizes Samsung 8th generation NAND V8 technology, which significantly enhances their performance and reliability. The Pro Plus micro SD card offers immersive and read speed up to 180 Mbps and write speed of up to 130 Mbps. It supports UHS speed class 3 and video speed class 30, making it ideal for a high quality content creation, especially 4K UHD video recording. It features A2 application performance, which improves efficiency for app-related tasks. While slightly less powerful than Pro Plus, the EVO Plus card still provides strong performance with the read speed up to 160 Mbps. It supported a U3 speed grade and V30 speed class, suitable for everyday data storage and multitasking. The EVO Plus card is also includes A2 application performance. Sony has officially introduced the PlayStation Portal in India, priced at Rs 18,990, nearly 9 months after its global debut. The device is designed specially for streaming games via Wi-Fi from a PlayStation 5, making it essential for users to own Sony high-end console. The PlayStation Portal combines an 8-inch LCD with the familiar layout of a DualSense controller. The laminated screen offers a resolution of 180p and the refresh rate of up to 60 Hz. It supports Wi-Fi 5 for a seamless connectivity and is powered by the 4370 mAh non-removable battery charged via USB-C. The device includes stereo speakers and a 3.5 mm headphone jack for a comprehensive audio experience. It also connects with the Sony new PlayStation Link-enabled headphones for lossless audio although it lacks Bluetooth connectivity. Riot Games has launched the Valorant Xbox Series SX and PS5 consoles today. After a brief beta period in June, the console version of Valorant are now available in the US, Canada, Europe, Japan, and Brazil, featuring all the same gameplay, heroes, and the abilities as the PC version. To maintain competitive integrity, Valorant in console does not support a cross-play with PC. Consequently, PC players will not have controller support. The game supports cross-progression, allowing any skills and progression to carry over between PC and console. Both PC and console players will receive a simultaneous platform releases, including balance patches, new agents, map updates, premium content, and more. Riot Game has made a twist to make the console version from a controller friendly. A new shooting mode called a Focus behaves like hip fire with a reduced sensitivity of a precision aiming, making it more suitable for a console players. A detailed look at a Google Next Generation Foldable. Google is gearing up to expand its foldable phone lineup with the upcoming Pixel 9 Pro Fold. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold, along with the entire Pixel 9 series, is set to be unveiled on August 13, 2024. This event will showcase a new foldable phone alongside other models in the Pixel 9 lineup. According to sources from Android Headlines, pre-orders for all Pixel 9 models, including the standard Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro, and Pixel 9 Pro XL, will begin immediately following the announcement. While the standard Pixel 9 models are expected to start shipping on August 2022. While the standard Pixel 9 model are expected to start shipping on August 22, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold will have a slightly later release date, with reports indicating a shipping date of September 4, 2024. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold is anticipated to price at $1,799 for the 256GB storage model. For those needing more storage, the 512GB model expected for cost $1,999. These prices position of Pixel 9 Pro Fold in premium segment of the foldable phone market. In May 2024, Google launched the School Time feature in Fitbit Ace LTE smartwatches, offering parents enhanced control over their children's device usage. Now, Google plans to extend the feature to more Android devices, further empowering parents to manage their children's screen time and focus. According to a blog post like Mindy Brooks, Journal Manager, Kids and Families at Google, the School Time feature will be available on the select Android smartphone, tablets, and Samsung Galaxy Watches by 2025. Although Google has not specified when the Android smartphone will receive this feature, it has confirmed that more devices will gain this functionality throughout 2025. School Time aims to minimize distraction by allowing parents to restrict certain features on their children's devices. This ensures that the children's attention remains focused both inside and outside the classroom. During school hours, parents can set their child device for a dedicated home screen with a limited functionality. This includes deciding which app the children can access through the Family Link app, Google Parents Control platform. This is Rini Gupta signing off. Don't forget to stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for all tech updates.